The append alignment command allows you to add a new or a section of a continuation of an alignment or a line string to an existing alignment. So for example, we have this alignment here, and you want to make sure, if we take a look in the Explorer, you can see here our zero station is up here. So you want to make sure that what you're adding is towards the end of the alignment. So you got to make sure you're going in the proper direction. Now, the other thing you want to make sure of is that this line string, if we edit it, is actually going in the same direction as the alignment. So in this case, it's going in the opposite direction. So we're going to do a reverse line string direction, and we'll close. Now we can go up to the append alignment, which is on the corridors create alignment under the create alignment command. You're going to pick the alignment, and then you're going to select the line you want to append. You'll notice you can also do a vertical alignment as well. So I'm going to pick this line string and click OK. And now you can see that I've added that to that alignment. So now I have a continuation of that alignment.